Want to make a professional headshot? It's super easy with LightX AI. Go to lightxeditor.com, log into your LightX account or create one for free. Go to the AI editor and click AI Headshot Generator. Now upload your photo. Choose a style you like and generate. You can also pick a headshot based on your profession. You can even change the pose of your headshot. Or try different lighting to make it more dramatic. It's one-click solution. Don't see what you want? No problem. Just type your idea in the prompt box. Generate, select the ones you like, and download them to your device. It's fast, simple, and fun. Try it now and see how great your new headshot looks.